thank you again for allowing me to show my space. This is one of the spaces that I created as an experience within my Movement Mirror Village. And this is the Strategy and System Sanctuary. And the purpose of this space is I host live co-working and strategy and system sanctuary. So I help others incorporate their back-end systems. Sometimes it can get overwhelming. And depending on what your bottlenecks are in your business, this is where we kind of come together, brainstorm, and I help you through those bottlenecks and help you see that bigger picture and then zoom in to really streamline your back-end automations. So GoBrunch has been instrumental in ramping up my client experiences. And I don't know about you, but I think everyone here who experiences GoBrunch knows that it's about the experience. And people talk about experiences. Experiences make you feel. And the emotional aspect of everything is what really makes you stand out from your competitors or even your colleagues. Every single day of the week, I'm doing something inside of my GoBrunch with my teams and with my clients for that deeper experience. My whole thing with GoBrunch was I had said to Richard from the very beginning, like, I don't want it to be like a website, but I want it to replace a website. And that is exactly what it did. So as soon as the paywalls became available, my mind was blown, and the possibilities are endless for how you can set this up within your communities. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the next room. So this is where I host one of my workshops. And I actually have this set up as an evergreen digital service. Yes, you heard that right. Service, not a digital product, digital service. So what I did is my 4-day workshop that I hosted, I uploaded all of those videos into a unlisted playlist in my YouTube. And then I put them in the sequential order that they needed to go in. And then I embedded it into my portal here. And again, this is behind a paywall. So only those who have paid for this workshop will get access to this. And this is where we do some deep inner work. So I love the fact that I can have this set up and it's constantly making me money. I don't have to be in here all the time. I can pop into the chat. I can help people when they, comment. They can find me in another room if they need to. So that is one great feature that I absolutely love. So this is one of my rooms that I rent. So I saw in some of the comments that Richard was reading was you're looking for other ways that you can utilize your space and to make extra income, make your spaces work for you. I also have Portal to Profit, which you'll see in the far right-hand corner. You can book a 15-minute portal audit. I can come into your space and kind of guide you on how best your space can work for you for your specific mission and what you're trying to achieve in the world. And I rent out these spaces. So not only do I build custom portals to help really encapsulate your energy and your mission, I also rent out my spaces. So I host virtual retreats and I can put together spaces for other people. I rent out this space. And I also have videos here so that if people happen to pop in, like a website, it's self-explanatory. Press play and it gives you that direction. What I had done was I did a choose your own path. So I had one big room set up and I had several different navigation arrows. And you played the video and it explained, listen to your intuition. Go with where you feel you're being guided. And then you click on that navigation arrow and it took you to another energy portal and another experience. And that's personal because it's on you. You chose that path. You chose that experience. So it kind of takes you deeper into your imagination and there's endless possibilities.